Hey there, it's Jason the Parts Guy here at Clear Creek RVs. Just wanted to pop in and let you know how to make your RV experience even better. We know that the first step to buying an RV is, well, buying the RV. What most people don't think about is all the items you can add to your RV that not only protect it for future fun, but also make the whole camping experience that much better. The first thing we always talk about in the RV world is, how the heck am I going to pull that thing? Well, you're in luck, because we've got you covered. For travel trailers, we have a large line of easy lift weight distribution hitches. And for the fifth wheels, we have B&W Companion and Anderson Ultimate hitches to get you going down the road. If you're like me, I'm sure you like to keep your investments safe and protected. Well, that's what we're talking about next. Your RV has exhaust ports for the water heater and furnace to vent all that nasty exhaust out and away from your trailer. Well, this is great for the trailer. Those ports are even better homes for mud daubers, wasps, spiders, and all kinds of creepy crawlers that want a nice warm place to set up camp. If they set up camp, you're out some cash. So why not make a tiny investment, have a bug screen installed on your trailer? We can do every exhaust port on your trailer for one low price. Another no-brainer to protect your trailer are vent covers. Almost all trailers come with vents on the roof, and some have fans to help move the air in your RV. While these vents do have lids on them, they are not the strongest plastic in the world. So all it takes is one piece of hail or a strong tree branch to have yours cracked and the interior of your trailer exposed to the elements. Vent covers go over the top of those roof vents and are much stronger plastic so they can withstand the beating Mother Nature can throw at it. It also allows you to keep your vent open and air out your trailer while driving down the road, without the fear of your vent lid flying off. If you're one of those people who just loves the smell of fresh rain, the vent covers allow you to keep your vents open, rain or shine. Once you've bought your RV, can tow it, and have it protected, now comes the fun part, getting stuff for it. Well, we've got you covered in our parts store with a starter kit. That's right, a starter kit, which our RV experts have designed from parts we have right here in our parts store. So you can't get these specific packages with these specific parts anywhere else at this price. We offer 4 different packages depending on your needs and wants, but all 4 of them will get you camping today, featuring water hoses, sewer hoses, water regulators, chocks, and all the essentials to get you out and enjoying your camper. So that is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the items you can add to your trailer. We want to make it the best experience of your life every time you go camping. We would love to show you all the options we offer here at Clear Creek RVs, back in the parts department.